Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and enabling core services. First, make sure your device model and OS support Apple Pay, then sign in to the correct Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication. Next, add and verify a supported card and wallet and accept any bank verification steps. Once done, check in settings that Wallet and Apple Pay is allowed and your device region matches supported Apple Pay countries. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular during these steps so verification can complete. Now configure the receiving side so payments can route correctly. If you're a seller, create a merchant ID in your Apple developer account, generate and install a payment processing certificate, and verify your domain for web payments. For in-person sales, confirm your POS terminal supports NFC Apple Pay and that Tap to Pay is enabled. Once these are in place, test a small transaction in Sandbox or with $1 to confirm tokenization and bank settlement. If you're an individual receiving funds, make sure your linked bank. Finish by running a complete test and confirming settlement in your payment dashboard. If the transaction fails, inspect the failure reason: network, certificate expiry, domain verification, or issuer decline. Make sure your payment processing certificate is current and re-upload if needed. Domain verification often causes token rejection, so re-verify the domain and refresh merchant session keys. Once you apply fixes, retry the small charge. If problems persist, capture logs and contact your payment processor with the timestamp and failure code for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.